Okay, here we go. So last video on the cell phone cover project, just to show you how to set it up for 3D printing. Once you have it over here, that you have your model of your case completed, then if I right click on it, I can export it. And then, what kind of iPhone or phone? 14, export. And then over in the slicer, we have to pick what printer we're going to print on. In this case, it's the Carbon 658. So I pick that first, and then I come back over here to prepare it. I delete the old phone, and then I upload the new one. I leave all the settings the same in this case, with two thick walls and a shell, basically, with a 40% infill and a gyroid. I make sure I've got it on the standard layer refinement, generic TPU setting for material. In this place, I believe it does have a cool plate. You always make sure you check what plate is in the printer, clean the plate off. I got to change the nozzle to carbon. Then they call them slicers. This is a slicing program, and it slices it into layers. And you can go scroll down and go through all the layers, layer by layer, see how it's going to print. And there's the first layer right there. That's called a graft layer. That peels off afterwards. All the green peels off. When we scroll through it, you can see the infill, the gyroid infill pattern wiggling back and forth there on the 40% infill. So that's going to be 60% air after you have the two-layer thickness, okay? Inside and out. And then if all looks well, in this case it looks pretty good to me, I would say go ahead and print plate. And one thing I know we're not ready for this one yet is that we haven't decided on the color. We actually have to go change the PLA on the machine, and then, okay? All right, that's it. So when you're ready to print, just use this video to set it up.